Welcome back, Cartel family. Today I'm going to give you a detailed breakdown of exactly how I caught this massive gold sell from 4061, a trade I called live to the community before the move even happened. And I want you to pay close attention because this entry was not based on one indicator, one trend line, or one random Fibonacci level. This was a complete alignment of directions, market structure, retracement, and confirmation. The first thing I established was the overall trend. Before even considering selling at 461, Cartel V4 and Cartel V1 had already confirmed bearish pressure. If you look at the upper section of the chart, price had already shown significant selling pressure from around the 4077 to 4080 region. We then saw further weakness developing around 4075, followed by another important sell area around 4072. Now, I wasn't reading this as random sell signals. I was reading the sequence of price. Every attempt to push higher was struggling to sustain itself, while the market continued breaking internal lows and accepting lower prices. Then told me sellers were progressively gaining control. And this is where my process comes very simple. Direction first, location second, execution last. Once Cartel V4 and V1 had established the bearish direction, I needed price itself to confirm that weakness, and that is exactly what happened. Price began breaking lower through approximately 4068, then 4065, then through the 4062 region, before expanding aggressively towards approximately 4051. Now, this is where many traders make a mistake. They see the strong bearish expansion and immediately chase the sell at the bottom. I didn't want to chase price, I wanted the retracement. Once price reached approximately 4051 and reacted, I now had a clear, defined move that I could measure. And this is the foundation of how I read price: expansion, correction, continuation. The move down into 4051 was the expansion, the recovery upward was the correction, and I wanted to position for the next potential continuation lower. That is where I applied my Fibonacci retracement. And understand this clearly, Fibonacci did not give me the bearish direction. I was already bearish on Cartel V4 confirmed it, Cartel V1 confirmed it, the market structure confirmed it. The Fibonacci was simply helping me identify the most efficient location to execute. So as price recovered from the 4051 low, it retraced through the 23.6% level, through 38.2%, through the 50% area, and then approached the level I care about most, the 61% cartel entry golden ratio. And this is where the setup became extremely powerful. Around the 4061 to 4063 region, multiple independent confirmations began aligning at the same time. I had Cartel V4 bearish, I had Cartel V1 bearish, I had a clear bearish structure sequence, I had a complete downside expansion, I had price correcting into the 61% cartel entry golden ratio, I had the Cartel V3 confirmation, and at the exact region, price was also interacting with the descending trend line. This is the entry, not because one indicator said sell, not because price touched one Fibonacci level, but because several independent pieces of information were pointing towards the same conclusion at approximately the same price. The Fibonacci gave me location, the market structure gave me context, the descending trend line added confluence, and the cartel system gave me confirmation. That is why I called the gold sell live at 4061. Not after the move, not after the profit, live to the community. And once price rejected that execution region, the bearish continuation began exactly as expected. The move lower was built around the clear sequence: bearish direction, structural weakness, expansion lower, correction higher, 61% golden ratio retracement, trend line interaction, Cartel V3 confirmation. Now let me show you how the trade itself was structured. We sold gold at 4061, our stop loss was 4071, our first take profit was 4051, our second target was 4042, and our final target was 4032. These levels were planned in advance. 4051 was the immediate previous low, 4042 was the next major lower objective, and 4032 was the extended target if bearish momentum continued. And as you can see, price didn't just reach those objectives, gold continued even deeper, eventually trading towards approximately 4026. Now, cartel family, At the time of recording this video, we are currently running at over 50,000 plus in profit on these positions, over $50,000 plus running profits from a trade I called live in the community. And you know what? Let's close all the positions right now. The market has delivered. The analysis has played out. The trade has paid us. So let's secure the profit. Close all positions. Done. And that is the complete breakdown of this entry. So Cartel family, if you want more detailed trade breakdown like this, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and leave a comment below.